Hey, it's Ngalinda here, and I'm going to give you a quick overview of a campaign that I've run on YouTube that's been very successful on and how this campaign works. So essentially what I had was two parts. I had YouTube ads, and then the second part that I had was a funnel that was a call. It's called a call funnel. Essentially, what we did here, I'll show you how I made that 24K, for instance, in the spread of 2 months. Now, the thing is that we made a little bit over 45K. Uh, there's three things. Number one, we use one payment processor here on Stripe. Okay, we have multiple, you can see on my screen, we have multiple payment processors, but we use one payment processor for this offer that I created because it's part of an academy I have. And then also we have PayPal because some people can't, for whatever reason, if they're in America, for whatever reason, they prefer to use Stripe, another alternative, they can't use Stripe, whatever. So their cards. So we use PayPal. And then the third way other people can pay is through the bank. So this isn't the true indication of the numbers. There were more than 18 new customers, if you like, because not everyone paid through Stripe, okay, to buy this offer. And also some things were in installments, so people paid at a later stage. Right. So I want to show you real quick. So I just want to let you know, like, this is not the true indication because we ran this offer between March and April to test out YouTube ads to see is it better than Facebook, and 100% it was. We easily able to close people, and you know, people are in a buying state, and they watch the VSL, they understand a long form call VSL, a video sales letter, etc., etc. So real quick, the point of this video is to show you pretty much how we got our booked calls and the costings so that it can make sense if you want to also run YouTube ads to get to sell your offer. Okay, so essentially we had a product which was we had a product which was our 10K product that shows the average person how to make 10K per month online by launching their own consulting business. Okay, so this is great for info products. So if you're teaching people how to start a business, info products, you're giving them some information, they're buying into information, a coach, consultant, you're in that area, then this is good for high ticket. YouTube is great for that. Okay. What I'm showing you right now is not necessarily for service businesses that, let's say you're a local business like a garage and you're looking for more leads. You're better off just using Google. So YouTube is really good for info products and it's scalable, right? So we send traffic from YouTube. I'll show you the campaigns in a few minutes, but we send traffic directly to this landing page. I think it was a bit worded differently at the time because we split tested, but people enter their details right away. As soon as they enter the details, they landed on a short training, okay, where then they watched the video, or where I had a VSL, video sales letter, where I go through, what we do, how our clients are getting results, how they can also achieve results by starting their own online business. Then from there, they click this button here to save you time. I've already done it. So they landed on to schedule a call. So the goal is to run ads to schedule a call, and then the salespeople in your team or yourself close people. So when they come to this section, it's pretty much not just booking a time slot, but they're doing a survey, right? So they fill out their information here so that the salespeople will know and understand them better. And then also this helps to qualify people as well as get them primed to paying and getting ready to know that what they're going to be called on is a sales call, essentially, and it gives them value. So that's the funnel. Now let's look at the YouTube ads. So again, I just done a comparison here. You can see March 1st to April. So you see, for example, here, there's no money coming in, $2,000 there. March 8th, 10 grand, and then nothing, and then all of a sudden 2,000, then 1,000, and then it's not that. What I'm trying to say is, don't look at this figure. It was about 45K plus. There were some installment payments, plus there was in terms of cash collected, it was about 45K, if you like, and other platforms as well. But if we just base it on Stripe, for example, you can see it says on 18 customers, there was more. However, here's what we did. So we used a series of videos. We tested a lot of campaigns. Okay, so that's what you have to do on YouTube. The goal then is what we had in between 1st of April to the 30th. We had conversions are people entering our funnel. So this is a true indication. I don't know why there's one extra, but it's 274 leads. So leads are the people who came to the first page and entered their details. Okay, so we created an email list of 274 people. Mind you, some of those people later on bought other things as well. So, but we're just talking about direct revenue. So 274 people signed up. We spent 2,608 euros to get 274 people, and 10% of those people, so 30 people, booked a call. So that's about 10.50. I already did the maths. So 30 goes into that, about 10%, right? So 10% of these people booked a call, and the reality is, from what we see here, there was more, but you can almost always, usually it's about half. The people who book a call, about half will then pay for your program. So about what's that, about for every five, 4 or 5 calls, you're closing about 3 to 4. So if you look at it that way, so if you want to look at this way, like we got 30 book calls from that campaign, 18 then booked it became clients, right? So about a half. But what I want you to know is, so the leads, 274 leads, 10% of these then booked a call, and then the other number we need to know is those who became clients then would have been more than 18, but you can almost look at it as half. Okay, I'll also show you a screenshot of another client with a similar campaign. So if we got 30 book calls and we spent 2,000, so what's that per book call? So the most important number you want to know over time is the cost to get a quality book call, aka you're getting a survey done. So if we do our maths here, so 2,008.200, so 2,608 divided by 30 book calls, it cost us on average in this campaign 86 euros and 94 cents per book call, right? So that's how much it costs. So like if we converted 18, well, then what we do is say, okay, if 18 new customers came from this, again, it's not a true direction because there was more than that, but 18.94 multiplied by 18, it means it cost us a total of no, that's not right. It didn't cost us 1,564 to get book clients. But you get the point. What I was trying to do here is to calculate the true cost of a book call. But again, we just did that right there. Yep, that's correct. So this is a campaign. And again, inside campaigns, we have various videos. We use different ways to target, to test, to get the best conversion, most importantly, and then the lowering the book call and increasing the quality so we can scale. So you always need to do test, optimize, scale. Okay, so that's just quick overview so that you understand how YouTube ads work. So again, ultimately, what's really important in today's world, if you're running ads, it used to be that you needed to know how to target really well on YouTube. It's no longer the case. Now you just need to be able to understand how to create the best converting video, and then from there, if you have the best converting video, you might need to have 2 of these to split test. From there, then you just need to know how to lay out your campaigns and then know what to look out for numbers wise to scale up. And that's how we help people in our program or in an agency where we do it for our clients. Okay, so if you like this video, drop me a message and we can hop on a call to see how we can help you, either train you up so you can do this yourself and you don't need an agency, or put you in an agency where we can, it's more expensive obviously, but we get you direct results so you don't have to do it yourself. Okay, and I've been Ngalinda from our company, Successful Media or Mr. Marketing. Look forward to talking to you soon.